Alex is 12 years older than George. Carl is 3 times older than Alex. The sum of their ages is 68. Find the ratio of George's age to Carl's age to Alex's age. So we've got 3 people, so let's write those 3 initials out first. So we've got Alex, Carl, sorry, I'm going to put George first and then Carl. So Alex is 12 years older than George. We don't know what George is, so I'm going to represent George with this red box here. Now I know that Alex is 12 years older, so he's going to be that red box. So I'm going to copy that red box. But he's also going to be 12 years older, so there's going to be another box next to it. And the value of this box is 12. So we've got George, who we don't know, and then we've got Alex, who is George's age, plus another 12, because he's 12 years older. Carl is 3 times older than Alex, so it's 3 lots of this. So again, I need to copy this bit out 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And I know that all of this together, the sum of their ages, is 68. Okay, so now I've set it out like that. What I'm going to do, just to make it really clear, is I'm going to put all the bars in one line. So I know they all add up to 68. So I will have, all together, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these red boxes. So let's get 5 of those boxes sorted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then all together I've got 12, 24, 36, 48. So my green box, I'm just going to do one big green box now, and I'm going to make sure that there's 48 inside it. Okay, so now I know we said that the sum of all their ages was 68. It means that I can figure out this bit quite nicely, because I know that all of this plus this must equal that 68. So 68, take away 48 is 20. So all of these here add up to 20. Now they're all equal. So 20 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 4. Okay, so let's go back out and figure out the age of each of the people. So each of the red boxes is 4. So we've got the total for Alex is 4 add 12, which is 16. We've got the total for George is just the 4. And we've got the total for Carl is 4 add 12, which is 16, add 16, which is 32, add 16, which is 48. Okay, so I want the ratio in the form George to Carl to Alex. George to Carl to Alex. So I need to do it in that order. So George was 4. Carl was 48. And Alex was 16. I also need to make sure it's in its simplest form, so I look, is there a number that can go into all of these? Well, there is, and that number is 4. So I need to divide everything by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 48 divided by 4 is going to be 12. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. 1 to 12 to 4. That's the ratio of George to Carl to Alex's age.